S3 plus S4. Then area of the parallelogram is base into height and perimeter is 2 into length plus width. Okay. Okay. Now first we start the sums. Now find the area of the square, whose perimeter is 80 meter. Now we do the sum. Okay. Find the area of the square whose perimeter is 80 meters. So let the side of the square let the side of the square be yes meter. Okay. So the perimeter of the square is equal to what? What is the formula? 4 into side. Right? So 4s is equal to 80 meter. So what is the side? S is equal to 80 by 4 is equal to 20 meter. That is the side. Now we got the side of the square. What is our question? To find the area of square. What is the formula to find the area of the square?
S square.
Side into side. S into side into side. Okay, S into yes. What is the yes? Already we found 20 into 20 is equal to 400 meters square. This is the area of the square. Clear? Any doubt? Okay. Now we move to the next question. Area of the square field is 225 meters square. Find the perimeter of the field. Here they gave the area of the square and ask us to find the perimeter of the field. Okay. So area of square is equal to what is the formula? Area of the square? Side into side. So yes square equal to what is the square they already given? A square is area of the square is 225 meters square. Then what is the yes?
15 meters.
Very good. So yes is equal to that is 15 square is 225. So yes is equal to 15 meter. So now we got the side. Now we can easily find out the perimeter of the field. So what is the formula for the perimeter? Perimeter of the
4 into S.
very good. Perimeter of the field is equal to 4 into side. How much side? 4 into
15.
15. Very good. So the perimeter of the given field is 60 meters. Yeah? Any doubt?
Doubt.
Okay. We move to the next sum. Now we are going to say about the rectangle. Okay, we already know the area of the rectangle is length into breadth and perimeter is 2 into length plus breadth. Okay, now we will see what is the question. Length and breadth of a rectangle field are 23.7 meter. That is 23.7 meter is length and 14.5 meter is breadth. And we have to find out the first one is barbed wire required to fence the field. Fence the field. Then what should we have to find? To fence.
Perimeter.
Fence we have to find. We should find the perimeter. Okay. So first question we have to find the perimeter. Okay. So barbed wire for fencing the field means we should find the perimeter of the field. Okay. Then what is the formula for perimeter of the field? Because this field is in which shape? Rectangle shape. So perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Very good. So what is the length? Length is 23.7 meter and breadth is equal to 14.5 meters. Okay, we'll substitute it now. 2 into length is 23.7 plus breadth is 14.5. When we add it and multiply it, we will get how much? 76.4 meter. Okay. Let's add this length and breadth and multiply with the 2. We will get the perimeter of the field, that is 76.4 meter. Clear?
76.4.
Yeah. Clear? Any doubts?
No.
Next we should find the area of the field. That means area of the rectangular field. Area of the field. What is the formula to find the area of the rectangular field? Length into breadth. What is the length?
23.7 meters.
Into 14.5 meter. When we multiply it, how much we got? Multiply and tell me. Three hundred and
343.65 meters.
343.65 meters square. Clear? Okay. Next. Now, what we say now? We discussed about how to find the perimeter of the rectangular field and area of the rectangular field. Next question. Find the area of the parallelogram of base is 12 centimeter and the corresponding altitude is 8 centimeter. That means height is 8 centimeter. Let's see how to do this. Okay. Area of the parallelogram is equal to base into corresponding altitude, that is height. Okay, what is the base? 12 centimeter into corresponding altitude is 8 centimeter. When you multiply it, 12 8s are 96 centimeters square. Clear? How to find the area of the parallelogram? Okay, next.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we are going to see find the area of a rhombus, okay, whose diagonals are of length 16 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Which is the diagonal? AC and BD. AC is 16 centimeter and BD is 12
centimeters.
12 centimeter. What is the formula to find the area of the rhombus? Area of the rhombus is equal to into product of diagonals. Okay, product of its diagonals is equal to of into what is the product of the diagonals? So what is the AC and BD? AC is 16 and BD is
12 centimeters.
12 centimeters.
12 centimeter. So you can calculate with the 16 is 8. So 8 12s are 96 centimeters square.
96 centimeters.
Yeah, how to find the area of the rhombus with the given diagonals? Yeah. Shall we move to the next question? Okay. Now we are going to find the area of the trapezium. length of the parallel sides of the trapezium are 20 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Okay, this is 20 centimeter and this is 12 centimeter, and the distance between them, that is height, is 5 centimeter. Find the area of the trapezium.
Trapezium.
What is the formula to find the area of the trapezium? Area of the trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 into height into sum of
B1 plus
parallel
B2.
sides. That means B1 plus B2. Okay. And what is the height? Height is distance between them is 5 centimeters. So 5 into two parallel sides, 20 plus 12. Okay. And 1 by 2 into 5 into 20 plus 12 is 22. And we can cancel it with the 2, that is 11. 11 into yeah, with the 2 you can cancel it, no? Right? How much? Find out and tell me. Are able to find out, or can I tell the answer? Say loudly, Raja. What is the answer?
80 centimeters.
80 centimeters.
How 80 centimeter?
Miss 20 plus 12, 22 na போட்டுருக்காங்க.
Ah, very good. Where is the wrong? Here. What we should write here?
32.
32.
Ah, 32. Very good. Okay. So with the 2, we can cancel the 32. That is 16. 16 into 5 is 80 centimeters.
Centimeters.
Okay. Good. Any doubts?
No,
Okay. The next sum. Now your turn. Okay. Now you calculate the sum and give the answer. The first question is, the perimeter of the square is 480 centimeter. Find its area. Calculate and give me the answer. Perimeter of the square is 480 means 4s is equal to 480. Okay. Any doubts? Ask me.
Done.
So that finish, Raja.
miss calculate பண்ண போறேன்.
Yeah, do it fast.
Miss answer click பண்ணிட்டேன்.
Which one is answer?
D.
Your answer is sure? Is it a meter square or a centimeter square?
Centimeter square.
Yeah, but your answer is right, but your unit is wrong. Okay. So answer is B. Okay, Raja. Now do the second sum. Length and breadth of a rectangular field are 22.5 meter and 12.5 meter respectively. Then find the area of the field. This is a rectangular field. Find the area of the field. What is the formula to find the area of the rectangular field?
Area of rectangle is equal to
Say loudly, Raja. Your voice is very low.
L in area of a
L into?
rectangle is equal to L into width.
Very good. Say it fast. Maitri has given the answer. Siddharth, your answer. Okay.
Answer click.
Yeah. Yeah. Very good. You both are right. Now, next question is length of the barbed wire required to fence the field. You should find the perimeter of the rectangular field for that, right? Yeah. Find it. Is it right? Are you sure? You check once and tell me your answer also. You check whether is it right or not. I give one more choice. Chance. Maybe it's also right. I don't know. You check.
Yes, ma'am, sure.
You're sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Then see. So what is the Siddharth answer? Siddharth? Yeah.
His answer
Yeah. Very
equal
good.
it.
Both are right. Very good. Okay. Next. Now find the area of the parallelogram whose base is base and corresponding altitude are respectively 20 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Find the answer and give me the answer. Find it fast. What is the formula to find the area of the parallelogram?
Base into height.
Only base into height, huh?
Area of a parallelogram is base into height.
Is it right, Maitri? What is the formula to find the area of the parallelogram? Yes, right. Base into corresponding altitude. Fast.
Base into corresponding height.
Yeah, height or corresponding altitude. Fast. Find it fast.
No, I think the answer.
Hmm. Siddharth, are you finished? Yeah, very good. Very good. Both are right. Next question is find the area of the trapezium, the distance between whose parallel sides of lengths 26 centimeter and 12 centimeter is 10 centimeter. Okay. Then parallel sides, that is B1 and B2 is 26 centimeter and 12 centimeter, and your height is
10 centimeter.
yeah. Find the area of trapezium. Area of a trapezium is equal to half into.
Height into B1 plus B2.
Very good. Very good. Do it and give me answer, Racha.
I think the answer.
Hmm. Siddharth, try to finish fast, Raja. Yeah, yeah, very good. Both are right. Super. Next. Next, we are going to see about Heron's formula. It's used to find area of triangle. If the base and corresponding altitude of a triangle are known, we have the formula. What is that? Area of a triangle is equal to half into base into corresponding altitude. But sometimes we are not given the altitude, that means height, and corresponding to the given base of a triangle. Instead of that, they given the three sides of the triangle. In that case, we should find the height corresponding to the side and calculate the area. Right. To do that, we have the formula. Mostly we'll use the Pythagoras theorem formula to find the height and corresponding to the side and calculate its area. Mostly we use that. But what is the, do you know that Pythagoras theorem? That is AB square is equal to BD square plus AD square to find the area of the triangle. But this process is a little bit bigger. To reduce that, we have another formula to find the area of the triangle with three given sides, which was provided by a Greek mathematician Heron. That's what we have. They give the name as Heron's formula, Heron's name. Okay, the formula is to find the area of the triangle: root of s minus a, s minus b, s minus c.
minus C.
S is the semi-perimeter. That means for to find the perimeter, what we should do? We add all the sides. To find the yes, we should add all the sides and divide it by 2. So this is a semi. We should find the semi-perimeter. That is the yes. And A is the three sides. Three sides of the triangle. A, B, C. A, B, C are the three sides of the triangle. Clear? Any doubts in the Heron's formula?
Mr. Tilla.
Okay. Next. The sides of a triangle they given. A is 165 meter and 154 meter and 143 meter. Find the area of the field. Now we are going to find this using the Heron's formula. Okay. Because now we don't have, what we don't have?
Height Tilla.
We have the sides, but we don't have
Height.
You have the height.
Okay. First, what is the formula? Heron's formula? Area of the triangle is equal to square root of s minus a,
Minus
A into
s
minus
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 b,
B
and s minus c. First, we should find the s. S is equal to a plus b plus c by 2. A is equal to 165 meter. B is equal to 154 meter. And C is equal to 143 meter. And what is the S? S is equal to sum of 165 plus 154 plus 143 divided by 2 is equal to, can you add it? 165 plus 154 plus 143. Add it and tell me.
462.
400. Say loudly.
462.
S is equal to 131.
462 by 2
Okay.
is equal to 231 meter. Right? Now we got the S and we have the A, B, C, which are all the sides of the triangle. Now we can substitute directly. Area of the field is equal to square root of, what is the S? 231 into 231 minus 165. Next is 231 minus 154. Next 231 minus 143. Okay. Next step we will minus it. Okay. By root of 231 into 231 minus 165 is 60 minus and tell me.
66.
6 and 231 minus 154 is 77 and 231 minus 143 is 88.
88.
Okay. Now we try to come out from the square root. So split the factors. So how we write the 231? We can write the 231 as 11 into 21, right? Next 66 we can write it as 11 into 6.
6.
And 77 we can write it as 11 into
7.
7. And 88 is we can write it as 7
8
into
into 11.
8.
Wait.
Now we can we can reduce the terms. 11 into
7 into 3.
21 எப்படி பிரிக்கலாம் நம்ம 7 into 3 right 11 into 7 into 3 next இருக்கிறது 11 into
2 into
6 into 11 into 7 into 11 into 8. Now we can whatever thing we can square it 11 square 7 square right. Then this 6 also we can change it as 3 into 2 right.
2.
So everything we can make it square. 8 also we can split. How we can split? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 right.
2 into 2 into
2
2.
4 2s are 8. Okay. Now we can square all the things. That means what? 11 square 7 square 3 square 2 square 2 square right. If you have the square we can take them out of the square. So 11 into
Into
11 into 3 into 7 into 2 into 2
into 2.
into 2. There any doubts? Multiply and tell me what is the answer.
One thousand 164.
1000 1000 how much?
10,000.
10,000 right. 10,164 meters square is the of the triangular. Any doubts to find the area of the triangle using Heron's formula?
No.
Shall we move to the next?
Yes.
Okay, Raja. Now you find out area of the triangle of sides 15 centimeter, 16 centimeter, and 17 centimeter. Find out. Any doubts? Ask me, Kana. Okay. First, you should find the yes. That means
Yes.
a plus b plus c by 2. That means three sides, triangle sides. You add and divided by 2. Find the yes. And a is 15, b is 16, and c is 17. You substitute directly to the formula. Root of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. What is the yes? Got the yes?
24 centimeters.
Very good, very good. Do it fast and carefully.
Answer enter பண்ணிட்டேன்.
Yeah, Raja. Very good. I 3 fast, ma. What happened, ma? Any doubts?
No, ma'am, I got the answer. Yes, ma'am.
Decimal, ah? Okay, is this your answer? Sure? Both of you sure? Siddharth? Siddharth?
Miss,
Are you sure? Is this right?
Yes, ma'am.
Your answer is
that's
right?
correct.
Yes, yes, you are right. Very good. Okay, now we move to the next one. Now we are going to say about areas of rectangular parts and some rectilinear figures. Okay, va? Then first question is that means we should in this chapter, in this part, we are going to find the path distance. Okay, area of the path with the given figure. Here they given the rectangular figure. That means a rectangular park of length 30 meter and breadth is 24 meter is surrounded by a 4 meter wide path. Find the area of the path. What is the length of the rectangular park?
30 meters.
30 meter and the breadth is 24
Meters.
meter and its surrounded path is 4 meter wide. Okay, all the four sides is 4 meter wide. Now we are going to find the area of the path. First, second. First, let A, B, C, D be the arc and shaded portion is the what? Is the path surrounding the
That's surrounding.
surrounding it. Okay, path surrounding it. That means that the shaded portion is the surrounded part of the park. Okay, then so what is the length of the rectangle?
30 meters.
length of the rectangle. First, we should see the outer rectangle. What is the outer rectangle? This one. E, yeah,
Yeah, GH.
H. So, the outer rectangle is included with the 4-meter wide with inside rectangle, right? So, we have both sides 4-meter wide in the length, right? Is it right? So here we have a 4-meter and here we have a 4-meter to reach the outside path, outside the path, okay, outside rectangle. So we should add 4-meter, we should add 4-meter this side and 4-meter this side. So 4 plus 30 plus 4. That is the length of the rectangle EFGH. Length of the rectangle ABCD is what? 30. But length of the rectangle EFGH is 30 plus 4 plus 4. Right? So how much? 38 meter. Clear? Is it
38
clear to
meters.
find out how why we are adding 4 on both sides? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we should likewise we should find out the breadth of the rectangle EFGH. What is the breadth?
4 plus 4 plus 4.
24 plus this side we have a 4-meter wide and this side we have a 4-meter wide. So 4 plus 24 plus 4
Plus 4.
is equal to how much? 32 meter. Now we have the rectangle length and breadth of the rectangle EFGH and we have the length and breadth of the rectangle ABCD also. So in this case, to find out the path, what we should do? Subtract the, that means area of the rectangle EFGH minus, that means outer rectangle minus inner rectangle. We can find out the path of the park, right? Is it clear? So
Yes.
first we should find the what is the area of the, to find the area of the path. First we must find area of the rectangle, that means outer rectangle. Okay, area of the rectangle EFGH minus inner rectangle. Inner rectangle is area of rectangle
ABCD.
ABCD. Area of rectangle ABCD. That is in inner rectangle. Outer rectangle minus inner rectangle. So what is the area of the rectangle EFGH? Area of the rectangle formula is length into breadth. What is the length of the outer rectangle? 38 and breadth is 38, 32. So 38 into 32, right? This is the area of the rectangle EFGH. Then area of the rectangle ABCD is what? 30 into 24, which is given by them. Already in the questions we have that. Okay, so multiply it. 38 into 2 is what? 1216 minus, then 30 into 24 is 720 is equal to, when you're subtracting the 1216 minus 720 is how much? Subtract and tell me. 4
496
496 meters square.
meters.
Here to find out the path between the rectangular field outside and inside.
It's clear.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No.
Okay. Now we will move to the next question. Now you find out there is a 3-meter wide path on the inside running around a rectangular box. Inside of the around a rectangular park of length 48 meter and width 36 meter. Find the area of the path. Normally we will add the path. Okay, that is in case of when they are telling inside running around, means you are going inside. So what you should do? You should subtract the path wide. Okay, that means 48 minus 3 and 36 minus 3 minus 3. That is the length and the breadth of the outer rectangle. Clear?
Yes.
Are you able to find out? Yeah, try. Any doubt, ask me. Same model, but you should subtract the path wide, okay, on the both side. Length of EFGH is 48 minus 3 minus 3. Okay. Likewise, breadth of EFGH is equal to 36 minus 3 minus 3. Okay. Find out. Very good.
Took the answer.
Yeah. Siddharth, any doubt, Raja?
உங்க மீட்டர்ஸ் எழுதிருக்க ஆன்சர் எல்லாம் சென்டிமீட்டர்ல தான் இருக்கு.
Okay, give the okay. Just give me what is your answer. When you are finding the area of the path, the answer will be the same meter square. Okay, you are right. Very good. Just give me your answer. That means A is 468 meters square, or B is 486 meters square, or C is 466 meters square. Which one is right? I've changed. That's not a centimeter square. That's a meter square. Okay. This is your choice. Siddharth, are you in the line?
Yeah.
Okay.
meters.
Just type your answer, Raja. Yeah, good. Very good. Both are right. Next. Same what we saw in the rectangular path. Now we are going to see about the circular path. There is a circular path of width 2 meter along the boundary. Okay, along the boundary and inside a circular path of radius 16 centimeter. Find the cost of what?
Paving the path
Path with bricks at the rate of rupees 24 per meter square. Use pi is equal to 3.14. Okay, then I'll start doing. Okay, let OA be what? OA be the radius of the arc. OA be the radius. OA be the sorry, once again. Okay, OA be a radius of the park. This one is the radius of the park, which is the center point to the outer circle. Okay, radius of the park, and the shaded portion be the path. This shaded portion is path. Now, what is the OA? OA is equal to 16 meter. Okay, there is a circular path of width 2 meter along the boundary and inside a circular park of radius 16 meter. Okay, so OA is equal to 16 meter.
16
Okay,
meters.
so what will be a OB? OB is equal to OA minus OB. Okay, what is the OA? 16. Okay, then what is the width of the circular path? 2 meter.
2 meters.
Subtract that,
2
you
meters.
can find out the OB, right? Is it right?
OA minus AB.
Yeah, AB, OB, OA, yeah, right. OA minus AB. Very good. What is the OA? 16 minus AB is the width, 2 meter. So 14 meter is the OB. Clear?
Okay.
Yeah. Now we should find the area of the path. Is equal to, what is the formula? Area of the path to find this in the circle. Area of the outer circle minus area of
Inner circle.
inner
Inner
circle.
circle.
Area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. What is the formula to find the circle? Pi
IR square.
IR square. So we have the two radius. First radius is 16, that is
16
OA,
meters.
and the second radius is OB, that is
14 meters.
right. So I into first radius is 16. So 16 square 16 square minus area of inner circle is I minus
14 square.
14 square
minus வருது.
into Raja once again. It's typing problem. Okay. Now Now, can we take the pi as common? Pi
5
into 16 square.
minus 14 square.
16 square minus
14 square.
14 square. Okay. Is in the form of which formula? A square minus b square. Right? So, 16
Plus
plus
14
14. That means a plus b, a minus b.
14.
16
16
minus
minus 14.
14. Okay.
5 into 60.
So, already in the question they gave the value of pi. What is that? 3.14.
3.14.
That is 3.14 into 16 plus 14 is
30
30.
into 2.
16 minus 14 is 2. Multiply and tell me the answer.
60.
What is the answer? 3.14 into 30 into 2. That means 3.14 into 60. How much?
$188.4.
188.4 meter square. Right? This is the area of the circular path. This area. Okay. Now we have one more question to find the cost of paving the path with bricks at the rate of rupees 24 meters square. Okay. So we should find the cost of the paving path. That cost of path with bricks is equal to how much? At the rate of per meter க்கு எவ்வளவு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? For per meter rupees 24. The circular path how much
24
meter?
per meter square.
188.4 meter. So 24 rupees 24 into 188.4 is equal to how much? Calculate and tell me. 4,521.68.
0.6.
Yeah. Okay. This is the cost of the paving the path with bricks. Okay. Any doubts? Any doubts?
No.
Okay. Now we are going to see about the area of circles and circular paths. We already know the circular path, how to find out the circular path. Now we have to find the area of circles on the circular path. Now we take up a well-known and very useful figure called circle, which is not made up of a line segments. We know the circle which is not made up of line segments. And also you already know the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r and the area is pi r square. R is the radius and pi is the constant equal to the ratio of the circumference of the circle to its diameter. Normally we use the pi with the value we already know. What is that? 22 by 7 or
3.1.
3.14. Okay.
2.14.
Now we are going to find the radius of two circles or 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter. One circle is 18 centimeter radius and second circle has the radius 10 centimeter. Find the radius of the circle whose circumference is equal to the circumference. That means perimeter of the circle. Okay. Equal to the sum of the circumference of these two circles. Okay. Let's do. So let the radius of the circle be r centimeter. Okay. Then what is the condition? Find the radius of the circle whose circumference is equal to the sum of the circumference of these two circles. Okay. Then what is the formula? The circumference of the formula circle.
2 pi r.
Circumference of the
Pi r.
circle is equal to 2. Once again. Pi r. Okay. So sum of the circumference of the two circles is equal to, what is the first circle radius?
R centimeters.
18. R1 is 18, R2 is
18 centimeters and 10
18
centimeters.
centimeter, and another circle's radius is 10 centimeter. So first we should find the sum of the circumference of the given two circles. That means by R1 square minus by
Pi 2 square.
R2 square. Okay. 2 pi r இல்லையா? So 2 pi r1 square 2 pi r2 square. Okay, because it's the circumference of the circle. Okay. Okay. Now 2 pi into, what is the r1?
18 centimeters.
2 pi r minus 2 pi r1 minus 2 pi r2, circumference of the two circle. We are not finding the area of the circle, right? That's what I'm checking. Anyone is telling or not? We are finding the circumference, no? So 2 pi r only, no? Ah. Okay. What is the r1?
18
18
18 centimeters.
and 2 pi r2 is 10. Right? Now we can take the, can we plus, we are sum the circumference. So can we take the 2 pi as common? 2
pi
pi, then
18
18 plus 10 is equal to 2 pi into what?
28.
28. Then, so as per the condition, we should equate these two. First one is circumference of the circle. Second one is sum of the circumference of the two circles. We are adding the circumference of the two circles. So circumference of the circle is 2 pi r is equal to, sum of the circumference of the two circles is 2 pi into 28. Right? So r is equal to 2 pi into 28
By
by 2
pi.
pi. 2 pi. So, or you can cancel the r. Sorry, 2 pi. Then r is equal to 28
28.
28 centimeter. So, radius of the circle is 28
28
centimeter. Clear?
centimeters. Yes, ma'am.
We are finding the radius of the circle whose circumference is equal to the sum of the circumference of these two circles. So the sum of the circumferences of the two circles is, we are adding the two circle circumferences, okay, and equating with the circumference of the circle, we will found the radius of the two circles. Clear?
Yes,
Any
please.
doubt? Okay. Now you find out the radius of the two circles are 9 centimeter and 12 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle whose area is equal to the sum of the areas of these two circles. So which formula you should use here?
Pi r square.
Pi r square. Very good. Use it. Pi r square is equal to sum of these two circles. That means pi r square is equal to pi 9 square plus pi 12 square.
By
Right?
12.
Great.
should be answer.
Wow, you're giving the answer very fastly. So that you finished, Raja?
இல்ல முடிக்கல.
Any doubts, Ma?
Pi r square 1 and pi r square 2 ன்னு எழுதணுமா?
Nothing. You just add two radiuses. That's all. Area of the circle. Pi r square is equal to pi 9 square plus pi 12 square. That means 81 pi plus 144 pi.
225 pi ன்னு வரும்.
What?
225 pi ன்னு வருது.
Then you have the r square, no? You cancel the pi and make it square. Take the square. Pi r square is equal to 225. R square 225 pi, right?
Pi r
So now r square is equal to 225 pi by pi. You'll get the cancel pi, the numerator and denominator. Then r square is equal to 225. And what will be the r?
equal to 15.
Very good. Better you give the answer in our option. Okay. Any doubts? Shall we move to the next sum?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we are going to see about the perimeter and area of a sector. Okay. A part of a circular region enclosed between two radius, that is OA, OB, of the corresponding circle. This part is called a sector of a circle. Okay. The shaded region OAPB is a sector of the circle with center O. This center we called as central angle. Okay. Then angle AOB is called the central angle or angle of the sector. We called it as central angle or angle of this sector. APB is the APB, this one. Okay. Are you able to see this red color? Yeah. This APB is the corresponding arc of this sector. Okay. Then we have one more sector also. What is that? OAQB, right? Which is unshaded region. This one is shaded region. This one is unshaded region. So OAPB is called the minor sector because this one is small sector. Are you able to assume that?
Yes, miss.
Yeah. This OAPB is called as a minor sector and OAQB is called as the major sector of the circle. Is it clear? Any doubts? What is the
No.
sector of the circle? A part of a circular region enclosed between two radius of the corresponding circle is called a sector of a circle. Okay. Then this part is called as what? AOB is called the central angle or the angle of the sector, and this OAPB is called a minor sector and OAQB is called the major sector of the circle. Is it clear? Any doubt?
No.
Now the formula is to find the perimeter of the circle is 2r plus pi r theta by 180 degree. Okay, to find the perimeter of the circle we are using 180 degree. Okay, 2r plus pi r theta by 180 degree, and to find the area of the sector is pi r square into theta by 360 degree. Area of the sector you're going to find the full area, right? So we are using the 360 degree. Okay, clear? Any doubts?
Okay.
Note down this formula:
No, miss.
perimeter of the sector and area of the sector. Perimeter of the sector is equal to, write down, 2r plus pi r theta by 180 degree, and area of the sector is equal to pi r square into theta by 360 degree. This theta is the what? Central angle. This is the central angle. Okay. Finish writing. Shall we move to the next slide?
Some other formulas.
Finish with that?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Now we are going to find the perimeter and area of the sector of the circle of radius 9 with central angle 35 degree. Okay. Perimeter of the sector. What is the formula? 2r plus pi r theta by 180 degree.
180 degree.
So what is the radius? 9. So 2 into 9 plus, for what value we are giving for the pi? That is 22 by 7 into R is 9 and central angle is 35 degree divided by 180 degree. When you multiply 2 into 9 is 18 plus, okay, we are reducing the terms as much we can. Okay, that time we will get the 11 by 2. We are taking the LCM. So we got 47 by 2. Any doubts?
No, miss.
Okay. This is the how to find the perimeter of the circle. Then area of the circle. What is the formula to find the area of the circle? Sector. Sorry, area of the sector. Pi r square into theta by 360 degree. What is the value for pi? 22 by 7 into r is 9. So r square is 81 into central angle is 35 degree by 360 degree. We are reducing the terms and we'll get 11 into 9 by 4. The 99 by 4 centimeter square is the area of the sector. Clear?
Yes.
Any doubts?
No, miss.
Now you do this perimeter and area of the sector of a circle of radius 14 centimeter and central angle is 30 degree. You know the formula or you want me to show again?
Formula தெரியும்.
Okay. You just note down these values. I will show the example sums and you do the sum. Okay, you just note down the value. Radius is 14 and central angle is 30 degree. Okay, I'll show the example sum. So write the formula: perimeter of the sector equal to 2r plus pi r theta by 180 degree. Substitute. After finish, tell me, I'll show the choices.
Miss, na value எழுதிக்கல.
எழுதிக்கோமா. The radius is 14. Radius is 14 centimeter and central angle is 30 degree. So perimeter of the circle is 2 into, what is the radius?
14 plus
14
5
plus 22 by 7
by 7
into
into 14 into 30 by
30 degree
1.
by 180 degree. Very good. Find it.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
What, ma?
I got the answer, ma'am.
You got the answer, huh? I'll show the choices.
Thank you, ma'am.
So that finished, ma? Give your answer fast.
I should the answer, ma'am.
Okay, go. So that, ma? Siddharth,
Miss,
finish?
yeah, miss.
You got the perimeter?
Perimeter construct.
With that week, you can find out easily, Raja, with the choice. If you have any doubt, ask me, ma. What's your perimeter?
35 1/3 centimeters.
So tell me the choice. Which one is correct? Just give your answer. You are right. Maitri? Maitri?
Yes, ma'am.
உன்னோட வீடியோ தெரியல.
Yes, ma'am. இது வந்து வந்துட்டேன்.
Siddharth, your answer is right, Raja. You just enter your answer.
Ma'am, has it come now?
Yes, ma'am. Okay. The answer is A. Okay. P is equal, perimeter is, yeah, very good. Okay. Any doubts in that?
No, miss.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now just go through once we'll wind up the class. Okay, what we discussed today, the distance covered to walk along a plane closed figure, that means boundary, is called a perimeter, and the measure of the region enclosed by the figure is called its area. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? 2 into length plus breadth, and the area of the rectangle is length into breadth, and perimeter of the square is 4 into side. Area of the square is equal to side square,
That's
and
correct.
area of the parallelogram equal to base into corresponding altitude, and area of the triangle is off into base into corresponding altitude. And we have one more formula, that is Heron's formula, that is root of s minus a, s minus b, and s minus c. And area of rhombus formula is 1 by 2 into product of its diagonals. And area of trapezium is 1 by 2 into sum of the two parallel sides into distance between them. And area of the rectangular path is area of the outer rectangle minus area of the inner rectangle. Then circumference of your circle of radius is 2 pi r, and area of the circle is pi r.
Pi r square.
Yeah. Then area of the circle path is area of the outer circle minus area of inner circle. And perimeter of a sector is, for a circle, is 2r plus pi r theta by 180 degree, and area is theta is equal to pi r square theta by 360 degree. Okay. Any doubts?
No.
Okay. Okay, ma. Thank you. Bye.